Hi everybody. So welcome back to Crypto Portfolio in Tableau. So this is the final part of this dashboard. So here we will be building these parametric buttons, the daily, weekly and monthly, and this dynamic header and this filter slicer to select a digital coin, right? So let's get started. So last time we finished till here. So now I have to build the three buttons, daily, weekly and monthly, and pressing a button should change my whole dashboard, right? Based on the parameter. How to do that? Let's go to a worksheet and parameter, day, week, month. Let's give it a name, day, week, month. Let's write a formula, average 0.0, copy, right? Now change it to shapes. So I have a shape already in my repository, right? So now here on the label, I'll write daily. Here I'll write weekly. And here I'll write monthly. Let's clean this sheet. Let's remove these grid lines. Let's drag it onto the shape. And here I have a shape with me. I'll increase the size of it. And I'll align this in the middle. So you can just build a rectangular shape like this in your PowerPoint and save it in the form of JPG and save it in your Tableau repository shapes, and then you will get this in your shape palettes. From there you can select it and use it in your dashboard. Remove the tooltip, remove show header. Now we have our nice buttons, but now how these buttons will work, right? So to make them work, we have to align the parameter, right? So parameter daily, I'll write as 1 because my one parameter is for daily. and parameter weekly is for 2, apply OK, and parameter monthly is for 3. Okay, now in the daily I'll drag it in the detail, in the weekly I'll drag it in the detail, and this last is monthly, drag it in the detail. Right, now I have to change the colors also. So if I select daily, it should change to orange, and rest these two should be of the same gray color, right? So let's do that. So for that, create a calculation field, parameter color for daily, if date granularity is equals to 1, then give me then true, else wait, then true, else false, and right, simple. Like okay, duplicate it, edit it. Now if it's 2, then give me true and false, duplicate it, edit it. Now if it's 3, then give me true and false. Okay, we have this. Now let's drag the daily onto the color shelf. Right, so it's true, right? So double click here. If it's true, then give me this orange, apply OK. And if it is false, let's show parameter. If let's say I select weekly, now it's false, right? So for false, you give me something like very light color, this, make it light, okay, like okay, this one. Right, now the second thing is for weekly, select this one, drag this onto the color shelf. Now it's true, change it to orange, apply OK. But if it's false, select monthly, then it's false. Now it should be of this color. Let's copy the hex code or make it little bit more lighter. Copy the hex code, OK, apply OK. Go to this, double click here, paste the hex code, apply OK. So false is this. Now for monthly, select monthly and bring to the color shelf, double click, apply OK. But if it's false, then double click and use the light grayish color. Right, so now our parameters are working, the buttons are also working. Let's remove this everything, hide card, height card, height parameter, height card, and height card. Now go to our dashboard. So just drag it and hide, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now we have to press a button and this parameter should change, right? So for that we will use our parameter actions. So change parameter, so let's say daily metric. Select this. Our parameter is date parameter, and the source field will be our parameter daily. Aggregation will be maximum. Apply. Then again one more parameter, weekly metric. Then select this, date granularity, source field will be my parameter weekly, aggregation will be my maximum. Okay, and then last will be my monthly. Okay, now see, if I select weekly, okay, maybe because this filter is using this, right? Let's remove from the filter action this sheet. Okay, filter is not working. Why? Maybe because, let's go to the sheet and okay, the parameter monthly, the parameter weekly, and the parameter daily calculated fields are aggregated, right? So this is the issue. So now what we have to do is change it to dimension, right? Because we cannot use it as a measure. Now parameter monthly also change it to dimension, and parameter weekly also change it to dimension. Now these are dimensions, right? Now let's drag the parameter daily to here, parameter weekly to here, and parameter monthly to here. Right now it's not aggregated since we have changed it to dimensions. So dimensions are not aggregated, only the measures which are here are aggregated. So that was the thing. Now go back to our dashboard. Right now go back to our set actions. So daily metric, edit. Now select the source field for daily and change it to maximum or minimum, whatever, because we have not done any aggregation, so It doesn't matter if you select maximum aggregation or minimum aggregation. For daily, I have to use this parameter daily. Okay. For monthly, I have to use the parameter monthly, aggregation maximum. For weekly, I have to use the parameter weekly and maximum aggregate. Okay. Now see, if I select weekly, my parameter is changed to weekly. If I select monthly, my parameter is changed to monthly. Cool, right? So parameter is working fine. Now we can remove this from here. So, okay. Everything is working perfect. Now the next thing is to build this thing, or let's build this slicer first. The show and hide plus the slicer. Okay. So now the slicer that we have to use is here. Let's build one sheet. Digital coins. So I do have my coins here. These are my 12 coins. Now with these coins, I need to have my shapes, right? So what I did is to bring the symbols of these coins, I used the finance.yahoo.com and downloaded these symbols which you are seeing here, and downloaded this in one of my folder, and this folder I moved to my Tableau repository, right? So when I move this to my Tableau repository, then I'll show you now what happened. I change this to shape, right? And bring this coin thing to the shape. Now each coin has got a default shape, but in my Tableau repository, I do have this folder, right? Assign palettes, apply, okay. Now if you see, I do have all the coins, but these are not assigned to their actual symbols. So that we have to assign. Just click on shape. For ADA USD is this one. For AVEX USD, this one. Just assign it. BNB is this one. BTC is Bitcoin. Doge is this one. ETH is this one. Link USD is this one. SOL is, where is SOL? Is this one. STETH is this one. Okay. USD is this one. Okay, USDC is this dollar. USDT is USDT is this one. And XPR is X. Okay, apply. Okay, so now all the coins are aligned. Now we will hide this, remove this show header, hide this title, hide this card, and hide this tooltip. Make this little bit bigger in size. Yeah, so these are the digital coins. Now I need this thing also, right? So I'll drag this here. onto the text. Make this entire view. Make this 24. Right. Coin name. Right. Another coin name. And then below the coin name, I'll use some text which is already used in my dashboard. Coin market cap, currency in USD, coin market cap, currency in USD, CCC. Okay. And make this grayish in color. Let's use this 12. Apply. Okay. So now you are seeing like this, but it will be removed. No worries. So we do have a digital coin. We do have our coin name. Go back to our dashboard. So bring a horizontal container. Now this horizontal container will have my digital coin. Hide the title, and then it will have my coin name. Hide the title. Right. Now I'll use a filter. Okay. So to use the filter, go to the digital coin and drag this here. Right. Now go to our dashboard and use this as a filter. Now make this single drop down. Now let's customize. I do not want to use all. I only relevant values. Now this has to be applied to all the worksheets in this dashboard, right? So I'll just go here and apply to selected worksheets. Select all on the dashboard. Okay. Right now it is getting in shape. So let's make this little bit smaller in size, the text 10, and make this also 20. Okay. And this also format none. Let's clean it. I do not need any borders. Do not need any lines. Same for this, no lines. Okay. Now we have to build one show and hide button. Now this is for Bitcoin. Now we have to build a show and hide button. Let's add show and hide button. This somewhere here. Now this show and hide button, we will use some We'll use some images. Edit button. Those. I do have some images here. I'll give it a tooltip. Press Alt and C. Okay, just a bit change. Item shown will be my this, and item hidden will be my this. Light dark combination. Cool. So now this is also done. Let's remove this title. Bring it a little bit down. Somewhere here. Okay. Okay. It's working fine. Now the last thing is one more thing. Let's check our filter actions. Maybe remove it from the coins. This one also, remove it from the coins. Okay. Everything is perfectly fine. Okay. Now the last thing is our header, right? Means this one, this. So we will just use build a sheet kind of thing. Let's give it a name, crypto portfolio. Format. None. Right. So make it around 26, bold, apply OK, crypto portfolio, and let's use this Yahoo Finance and month to date comparisons, this manual text. Month to date comparison, date, let's use daily to month to date comparison, 12 day, 12 week and 12 month. Right? Make this smaller in size, green color. This also make 10, green color, apply, okay, and the color which is used here, right? So I'll use the same color, copy, this format, worksheet, this color, and this I'll use as blank, sorry, and this I used as white. Okay, now hide title. This is header sheet, so I'll just drag this last header sheet here, hide title, make this fit. So guys, this is how we build this dashboard. Just the final step again, go to filter actions and remove this header sheet. Otherwise, when you select any of the bar, this will be vanished. Okay, so now our dashboard is ready. So selecting weekly, I see the weekly data. Selecting monthly, I see the 12 months of data. Now selecting any bar, I see the trading volume or the trading price with respect to that bar, with respect to that month. And from here, I can select my coin, the digital coins, right? And that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this Tableau workshop, and this dashboard is very intuitive. I hope that you will practice it, right? And all the best and happy analyzing. Stay tuned. Goodbye.